Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to share your completed video that you created in Screencastify and share it to your YouTube channel. So when you're all done recording your video, again, please make sure you rename the video so you can identify with it. And over here on the right side, you can see I have an option here to publish to YouTube. So I can directly take this video and share it on my YouTube channel. So I am going to click on that. And it's asking you here which YouTube channel you want to post it to. If your YouTube channel doesn't show up here, you can simply click Add Channel and establish that connection. Once you establish that connection, it'll be listed here for future reference. It's asking you here how you want to share the video. So you can share it privately, meaning that only you have access to it and no one else can see it or search it. Public means that it's accessible to anyone out on the internet. And unlisted means that only people who have the link can view the video. So for this example, I'm going to select public. I'm going to give it a brief description here. Oh, I'm actually going to title it how to share your Screencastify video to YouTube. And then I'm going to put a description in here. And then click upload. And once that's done processing, the video will be available on your YouTube channel. And at that point, you can share it out. And here I have a success prompt saying that my recording has been uploaded. I can copy the link here if I wanted to, or I can simply view it on YouTube.